Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening sound settings from the taskbar. This gives immediate control. Once the panel appears, pick the output device you want and set it as default so apps route audio correctly. Make sure the device is physically connected. 3. 5mm cable plugged in, USB device inserted, or Bluetooth paired. If you have multiple devices, unpair or disconnect extras to avoid automatic switching. This reduces confusion and prevents apps from using the wrong device. Once you select the device, open Device Properties to control volume, balance, and enhancements. These affect sound quality and latency. Under Additional Device Properties, go to Advanced and choose Sample Rate and Bit Depth. 44,100 Hz at 16-bit is standard for most users. Enable or disable enhancements like spatial sound depending on preference, because some add latency. Use the output test and the app volume mixer to confirm each application's level. Adjusting here prevents one app from overpowering others. To finish, restart the app or system audio service so settings take effect. This often resolves routing glitches. If sound still fails, update or reinstall the audio driver from Device Manager, because driver corruption or mismatch causes many problems. Make sure the correct driver is selected, manufacturer driver versus generic Windows driver, as that affects features. If none of this works, run the Windows troubleshooter for sound. It diagnoses common causes and suggests targeted fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.